Most people walk through a forest. Few of us truly bathe in it. Want to feel nature's energy in every breath? That's what forest bathing is all about. I'm Chris, and I share nature-based practices to help you slow down, reconnect, and recharge. Today, let's explore Shinrin-yoku, the Japanese practice of forest bathing. It means taking in the forest atmosphere, and science shows it lowers stress, boosts immunity, and clears the mind. Here's how to do it in 5 simple steps. Step 1. Switch off. Put your phone away. Put it on aeroplane mode. Step 2. Slow down. No rushing. Step 3. Engage your senses. Listen. Touch the bark. Smell the leaves. Breathe deeply. Step 4. Pause. Sit. Let the forest meet you. Step 5. Leave gently, carrying calm into your day. At first, I thought forest bathing was a different way of simply saying walking in the woods. But when I finally stopped, sat down and listened, something shifted in me. I heard the forest breathing and even felt my own heartbeat slowing. That experience changed me. Before, I simply walked in the forest. Now, I bathe in it. And if you give yourself the chance to slow down, the forest might just surprise you too. To help you try it, I've created a free forest immersion checklist in the link below. If this inspired you, hit subscribe, like the video, and share your own forest breathing story in the comments. Stay wild, stay human.